how to create a zip file on Android. So if you want to create a zip file on Android, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. You need to open up your Play Store and you need to download ES File Explorer or some zip file explorer. Like for example, in my case, I have an application which is WinRAR or just RAR. So you can download the application. After downloading, now if you want to create a zip file, then you just need simply select the file that you would like to zip. After selecting, go with the upper right which has that 3 dots, or go with the plus icon which is on the top right, and after that select zip. And then you can also set password if you want to. You can go with set password, or you can also go with browse in order to change the destination. And after that you need to go with OK, which is on the bottom right, and that's it. Now as you can see that this has been zipped. That's how you can create a zip file on Android, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.